Jan Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. Today we're taking a look at the OSU PDC report template. Now, when you take a look at this template, there will be a number of elements in it. There will be text boxes, there will be shapes, there will be tables, there will be images, and all of those are editable. We can change them. And every once in a while you'll find that you can't click on something. It seems like you're clicking on it and it's not there. And what usually happens is that it's not in the right order. So although as we're looking at this, it all seems like it's on the same plane, it's kind of like different pieces of glass being in front or behind one another. And you try to go grab, say, Permaculture design course, and it's actually behind everything. Or in this example, if we click on the color box behind, as we see here, change the background color of the slides to suit your client, project, or context. So if we click on this background, this is actually in the back. So if we right click and go down to order, say we wanted to bring that to the front, let's try that again. Right click on this. Whoa, there you go. There's lots of things going on here. Bring to front. There we go. Now that we brought it to front, just like a piece of glass, we're looking through it, and now everything is a bit opaque. So we're going to send that back, send to back. Now we could send it backwards and we could get a sense about what was the next thing that was behind it. We could do that again. Order, send back, send backwards, which is, again, if you take a look at the shortcut keys, you can also do this on the keyboard, send backwards. So nothing was in that slot, do it again, send backwards. This was on the next level. And this is basically the different elements and how they were made in this template. But I want this in the total back, so I'm going to order, send to back. So again, if you ever get into trouble and you're trying to click on a little element or a little piece of your base map, chances are it's because what you're trying to click on is behind another element. So sometimes you need to send elements to the back to bring the elements you want to the forward or to the front. It's not a layer system per se, where we see in a number of different type of Illustrator or Photoshop or other graphic manipulation programs, but it's fantastic because this is a very accessible program that anybody can use.